What's good, y'all? Dome Man TV. We're back. I don't even know if you would call it back, because I used to do this all on Twitch, which I still stream. Follow me on Twitch at Dome Man TV. But I figured I'd take a new approach and try to make pre-recorded videos and upload my pack openings on YouTube. So here we are. I got the new Eveelution TINS. Let's see, I got the Vaporeon. See that bad boy. The Jolteon. The OG Eveelutions, mad. And the Flareon. Which I gotta show it like this because I just got back from the store and I was like, yo, I didn't even know these were at the store. I didn't even know. So I was like, yo, it'd be a dope idea if I did the Eveelution TINS as my first video. I was trying to think of an idea, you know, and then just, I don't know how this happened, but I got 2 Vaporeons instead of a Flareon, you know, all 3. So I've been having to show it on its side as I promoted Instagram, all that. All right, cool. Anyways, we're gonna move into the actual pack opening. Let's turn on the hand cam. Got these bad boys right here. So I guess we got 2 Vaporeons. We might as well start with a Vaporeon, end with a Vaporeon. Let's get it though. Ooh, these promos are beautiful. Ooh, I don't want to bend it up too much. Look at that promo though. Beautiful card. Gotta get my sleeves out. Gotta get that. So this is actually huge for me. By the way, my code cards. If you want me to start flashing the code cards and you be the first person to get it, let me know in the comments and I'll start doing it. Just let me know. Yeah. So we got 4 packs in here and I wanted to know what 4 packs it was gonna be. Turns out it is a nice little set combination. 1 Evolving Skies, a Chilling Rain, a Battle Styles. What if I get the Sleepy Tea? What if I get the Sleepy Tea? And a base set Sorted Shield. So let's see, we'll start the order it came in. Let's go with this Evolving Skies. Evolving Skies is the newest set. It's a greenback. Evolving Skies is the newest set. It's a really fun set. I've opened a bunch already on my stream. There's still some previous recorded videos actually. We did a couple booster boxes. I did an ETB. I haven't had the best luck, but I've gotten a couple good pulls. And I'm gonna say Water Energy. Ooh, Psychic Energy. Zweilous, Zinnia's Resolve. By the way, I butcher some of these names, like it's really bad. Copycat, Temple, Litleo, AV, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan, Reverse Hollow Ice Cube, and a Toad. I don't know why I even like kind of pulled that on an anticipation pull. It was a greenback. I knew better. I just forgot that quick. Chilling Rain, baby. Another fun set. I love the OG birds. I love the concept of redoing them like they did. The Galarian forms. That is so awesome to me. I play the games too. So in Sword and Shield, when that expansion part came out, what was it called? Crown's Tundra. When Crown's Tundra came out, it was really fun. It was cool. That's when we got introduced to Calyrex, the Galarian forms for the legendaries at least, and all that good stuff. I'm gonna say Grass, Fire, Expedition Uniform, Patra, Flaffy, Heracross, Clobbopus, Grookey. Oh, I pulled 2. A Grookey and a Sneasel, Weedle, Reverse Hollow Drizzile, and Cabolian. Alright, I think that's how you say it. I told you I'm gonna butcher some of these names. Gotta open up a new pack of the Beckett pennies. I honestly, I don't know what my favorite penny sleeves are. I kind of just use whatever. Every time I go to the whatever card shop I go to, I always forget what I bought last time. It's horrible. And a Battle Styles pack, baby. Got the Tyranitar on it. And I threw out that Sleepy Tea energy already, so. Full banger, huh? Whiteback is very possible. 4, I can't count. I was gonna do 5, but I am psychic and Sleepy Teas come out of darks. Ooh, water. Rapid Strike energy, Heatmore, Pharaoh, Glameow, Corphish. Kind of looked holographic. That was crazy. Scatterbug, Cubone, Tepig, Reverse Hollow Rantis, and Meowstick. Shout out, cat. Meowstick. Already almost done with the first 10. So far, the coolest thing was the promo card. Show off that bad boy again. That Vaporeon, beautiful card. And it's just a promo, crazy. All right, still can pull a banger out of this base set, Sword and Shield. Let's see what we get, people. Whiteback again, 3 whitebacks out of that first 10. So let's go. Whiteback, closest thing to that's gotta be metal, right? Electric, Boogie, Woogie, Woogie, Drizzile, Team Yell Grunt, Energy Search, Sinisty, Score Bunny, Meowth, Krogunk, Chinchou, Reverse Hollow Yamper, and a. Ooh, let's get it! This Zamazenta V. It's not like it's like. I think these are like alternate arts. I don't know. This is crazy. Zamazenta V. It's the first real banger so far. So that was the last pack. Last pack magic for that first 10. Vaporeon 10. That is a cool little banger. Yes, sir. First 10 down. Second 10. Jolteon. I think Jolteon's my personal first generation favorite. That promo is tight. That is a tight promo. I might like the Vaporeon a little better though, as far as these promos go. And of course, what we came for, same 4 packs. So let's see what we can pull, baby. All right, Evolving Skies. Let's get a real chase. Let's get a real banger hit right here, man. I get so many green box. I get so many greenbacks in Evolving Skies. It's ridiculous. 3, 4. All right. Grass energy, water energy. Come on, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, Pyroar, Lotad, Sableye, Teddy, Ursa, Marie, Zorua, Reverse Hollow Wishy Washy, and a Lilligan. Okay, I like it. No, don't. I'm just kidding. Chillin' Rain pack. What do I want out of this set? Oh, Blaziken. Give me the alternate art Blaziken. Please give me the alternate art. It's a greenback. Of course I'm not getting it. All right, cool. Oh, still gotta guess it, right? And I'm good at guessing, right? So it's electric. Boogie, Woogie, Wiggy, fighting. Okay, fire resistant gloves. Welcoming Lantern. Raboot. Galarian Slowpoke, Coughing, Yamask, Snorunt, Bounsweet, Reverse Hollow Larvesta, and a Gallade. Just a Gallade. Gallade. Alright, Battle Styles. Tea, whiteback, greenback. Of course, I'm not getting the Sleepy Tea, but I'm getting this, right? Grass. Water! It's been water like so many packs today. Single Strike, Scroll of Scorn, Heatmore, Honchcrow, Yamper, Scatterbug, Galarian Mr. Mime, Spoink, Mawile, Reverse Hollow Octillery, and a Pavilion. What you doing? I'm chilling like a Pavilion. Alright, last pack, the base set Sword and Shield. This is 10 number 2, last pack. But last pack's where we shined. Last 10, so let's do it again. But we're not doing it again because we got another greenback. I think I got 1 whiteback, if that. I think I got 4 greenbacks in this 10, actually. I didn't even want to guess that. Hold demeanors down. Potion, Dottler, Hop, Cottony, Clobbopus, Yamper, Sizzlipede, Pawniard, reverse hollow quick ball, and a Snorlax. Love pulling OG Pokemon though. I really do. I mean, even though it's not a Flareon tin like I wanted, here's the Flareon. I think that's what I saw when I did that thing. The last Vaporeon tin was good for us, so here's to the third tin, which was supposed to be a Flareon tin, but it's a Vaporeon tin, which was a good tin for us. So let's do the damn thing. Of course, you guys already know what the Vaporeon promo looks like. We just want the packs, please. Same 4 packs, you know the deal. Oh, we got the Rayquaza, the Moltres, the Urshifu, and the G-Max Snorlax pack. All right, cool. Rayquaza pack. First pack magic of the last 10 we got for these Eveelutions. And we got a green back to start off. I don't think we got a single white back for Evolving Skies. I still like to guess water. Got a lot of water. Metal. The boy finally got it. All right, Metal Energy, Ice Cube, Full Face Guard, Hypno, that's a tight Hypno, C-Dot, Lillipup, Bagon, Lit Leo, Lotad, Single Strike, Scroll of Scorn, Scroll of the Fanged Dragon said that's so wrong. I was thrown off because it's so hard to tell if some of these are reverse hollows sometimes. So, Lilligant, Moltres, Chilling Rain, Blaziken full art, Greenback, of course. We don't care, we're gonna guess right though. You know, fire. Oh, I was gonna say water. I just get scared to say water because I don't feel like it's gonna be water anymore. Drizzile, Cybold, Quillfish, Ralts, Heracross, Castform, Sunnyform, Phil, Reverse Hollow Farfetch'd, and a Spirit Bomb, Spirit Tomb. Shout out Goku though, you know. Spirit Bomb. Alright, we got 2 more packs to go though. And it didn't shine until the base set, so I'm not worried. Battle Styles, Sleepy Tea. Give me the Sleepy Tea. I've pulled a Sleepy Tea, but it was for Big Woke. It wasn't for me. Dark for the Sleepy Tea. Grass, that's still Sleepy Tea energy. More Petco, Durantula, Mustard on the Beat, Salandit, Roly-Coly, Esper, Shinx, Blipbug, Reverse Hollow Licky Licky, and that was a white back. Entei, I pulled that card so many times. I love Entei, but I don't love that card. I did at first when the set came out, of course, right? But then I pulled it a whole bunch. Last pack magic, G-Max Sword and Shield base set pack. This is where we shined and we pulled that bad boy right there, Zamazenta V. All right. Greenback, of course. Let me guess this right then. Electric. Grass. Damn it, Pokekid. That's me. Air Balloon. Galvantula. Wooloo. Baltoy. Blipbug. Sobble. Mixino. Reverse Hollow Poltergeist, and a Lantern. Well, so let's go over this thing. These are the 3 piles that we pulled. These are the 3 tins. This first one consisted of promo, Zamazenta, Meowstic, Vaporeon, a couple of reverse hollows, bulk. The second one consisted of Jolteon, Quick Ball, reverse hollow, like nothing even hollow. Straight duds this whole tin. This last box consisted of promo, Entei, Slight Plus, love that guy, and then reverse hollows, bulk. Whoa. So, if you had to ask me, do I think those tins were worth it? I do not think those tins were worth it. Will I probably be buying more? Probably. I have a bad addiction. So you ask me, those tins were not really worth it. I didn't open an actual Flareon tin, but I opened up 2 Vaporeons, and 2 out of 3 were duds. So Evolving Skies is a fun set to open though. You just need a bunch of packs, which I do have a bunch of packs. I'm just saving for a different video. booster box. I'm saving these for another video though. You guys have any ideas for videos, ways I should maybe go about it, let me know in the comments. Show you boys some love. Comment in general, even if you don't have any questions like that. Like and subscribe, please. I'm starting this YouTube journey. It's not just gonna be Pokemon stuff. I'll be all over with it. So yeah, I'm gonna try to have uploads every Wednesday for some Pokemon content at least. And I'll be on my stream later. I was streaming these pack openings. I'm converting that more to YouTube right now. I'm gonna leave maybe the streaming more for just my gaming. I've been playing 2K22, playing a little World of Warcraft. But yeah, the gaming, and then I might have more of a podcast feel on it. Who knows? But yeah. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching. Doman TV. We opened up Eveelution TINS. They came out maybe a week or two ago. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next week. Cheers!
Don't think too much, relax your mind. Don't be so hard on yourself, girl, it takes time. I got your back.